Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors should be tested regularly. To do this, press and hold the button on the outside of the detector for 1 second. If you hear the chime, then it's working fine. Batteries should be changed twice a year. To do this, twist the unit and pull down. The unit will chime when you do this. To access the battery, open the battery access latch. Please note, there is an expiry date on these units. They need to be replaced prior to this date. When you're done, simply push the unit back up in place and twist.